And to our top story this morning, after violence and protests, counting of the votes for 144 wards of Kolkata Municipal Corporation elections are underway. In fact, early trends show TMC is leading on 34 seats. The polls, remember, took place amid heightened security and following COVID-19 protocols on Sunday across 4,959 polling booths. And going across to Bisakha for more on this. Bisakha, good morning to you. What do the early trends look like?
তাদের না আছে সংগঠন, লোক কর্মী নেই, ভোটে তারা অনেক দিন আগেই, আপনারা যদি খেয়াল করেন প্রচারের প্রথম দিন থেকে তারা কোথায় ছিলেন। স্বাভাবিকভাবেই নির্বাচনে একটা ছাত্র সারাদিন সারা মাস পড়াশোনা না করে পরীক্ষার ফলাফল ভালোভাবে আশা করেননি।
ধন্যবাদ। We were having an interview with the ward number 85 candidate, Trinamool Congress candidate Debashish Kumar, who is leading right now after the completion of first round of counting. He is leading by more than 2,000 votes after the completion of first round of counting in this 85 ward. And overall, they are saying that overall in every, I am standing here in the Boro 8 counting center, David Training Institute College, and everywhere they are leading by a large number of votes. So Debashish Kumar, as he has said, that they are very much optimistic that even after the polls of 2021 assembly election, they will be getting elected by the people of Bengal and Kolkata in these civic polls also. And they are like Mala Rai, Debashish Kumar, they are the huge candidates. They are the candidates of prominence right now, and the limelight is always on them. So they are very much optimistic that as he is leading after the first round of counting, he is leading by more than 2,032 votes. Right now, there are several rounds of counting are there that are to be done yet. So they are very much hopeful that the reflection of 2021 huge mandate will be only a repetition in this 2021 civic polls of Kolkata as well. So we can see that they're just having a huge cry whenever the completion of every round is getting over. So we can see that they are very much optimistic, and they are very much optimistic about every word in this civic poll in Kolkata. So let's see what happens next.
Right, Visakha, and one more question I have. The polls, of course, were marred by instances of violence as well. So what is the situation right now? Has the security been beefed up at the polling stations where the counting is taking place?
There has been a 3-layer security outside and inside the counting stations, and overall there is a CCTV installation of the strong room of every booth and in these counting stations as well, counting booths as well. So if you talk about the security situation out there in these counting stations, yes, that is very strict, very stringent, and very strongly protected area, and almost 3,000 cops are there deployed in these counting stations overall for this counting of the civic polls in Kolkata. So there is no question of security that's been loose or something like this that is beyond raising any questions. But yes, there has been some cases of violence during the polls and after. So when they were asked, I mean the Trinamool leaders are asked and candidates are asked about this violent, the isolated violent scenes, they are saying that these are baseless, these are basically dramatization of the entire situation. They are saying that even though we know that outside the Khanna High School, outside Takipas High School, there were crude bombs, those were hurled and people got injured, bloodshed was witnessed in Kolkata. They are saying that is nothing but it is just baseless allegation by the BJP, and the Trinamool Congress is now raising one more significant question that now BJP is losing ground in Kolkata as a reflection they are getting that in the second position after Trinamool Congress, it is CPIM that is getting more and more significance in this civic polls of Kolkata.
Right, and Bisakha, you know, the BJP has of course alleged rigging of the polls. So any reactions coming in that regard? We understand that Suvendu also met the the Kolkata governor as well. So any reaction coming across from the political spectrum?
See, even during the polls and even after the polls, as we saw that yesterday in the state BJP office, outside the state BJP office, sits Muralidhar Sen Lane, they had a protest. They had a protest rally basically. That rally was even stopped even before it began. It was getting started, and the leaders, the candidates of BJP, they were taken to the prison vans and they were actually detained. So they are saying that the democracy in Bengal is very much prominently killed. It is prominently killed by the TMC ghouls, as they are allegedly saying. And yes, they are saying this, but the other people, I mean
Right. Thanks, Bisakha, for getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you. So those are the early trends coming in right now, where the BJP is trailing and the TMC is, of course, leading as the early trends show.